Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update the Redmi Note 14. So for me, I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So the first things first is simply opening settings. So either on the home screen or the app drawer, find the settings app and tap on it. And then within the settings, all you have to do is tap on About Phone. Now, if you have an update, you should see the option Update here. But if you don't have an update, all you have to do is simply tap on About Phone. Then you should see a brief description of your OS that is currently running on your Redmi Note 14. So all you have to do is simply tap on it, and then it will try and check for any available updates. And for me, as you can see, there's an update available. So all you have to do to update your phone is simply tap on Download Update. And then give it a few seconds for it to begin downloading the update, as you can see. Now all you have to do is simply wait for the update to be downloaded so that you can proceed to the next step. So let's just wait for it. Now once the update has been downloaded, you can simply tap on Reboot Now to restart your phone and apply the update, or you can simply tap on Update Tonight and it will update your phone later on in the evening. So simply tap on Reboot Now and allow the phone to apply the update. So that's basically it on how to update your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.